Welcome to the WorldBusinessesForSale.com podcast, the go-to place for entrepreneurs looking to buy or sell businesses with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time seller, today's episode will help you unlock valuable insights to succeed. First things first, preparation is everything. It's the cornerstone of any successful endeavor, especially when it comes to selling your business. You wouldn't show up to a boxing match without training, would you? The same principle applies here. Same goes for selling your business. You need to be ready, prepared, and in top form. You gotta be in fighting shape, ready to knock out any objections buyers throw your way. Confidence and preparation go hand in hand. Think of it like this. You've poured your heart and soul into this business, right? It's been your baby, your passion project. Now's the time to package that passion, that dedication, into something tangible, something irresistible to the right buyer. Make it shine. And trust me, the right buyer will sniff out any weaknesses from a mile away. They'll be thorough. They'll pick apart your financials, scrutinize your operations, and question your growth strategy. Every detail matters. So, let's make sure you're not just prepared, but over-prepared. Start with your financials. This is the bedrock of your business. Get your books in order, like squeaky clean order. No room for errors or inconsistencies. We're talking accurate records, consistent reporting, and a clear picture of profitability. Transparency is key. Buyers want to see the cold, hard numbers, and they want to see them presented with confidence. Show them the strength of your business. Next up, streamline your operations. Efficiency is attractive. Are there any inefficiencies you've been putting off? Now's the time to address them. No more procrastination. Now's the time to address them. Make those necessary changes. Smooth out those wrinkles in your processes. Make sure everything's running like a well-oiled machine. Consistency is crucial. Remember, you're not just selling a product or service, you're selling a system, a well-oiled, profit-generating machine. It's the whole package. And finally, craft a compelling growth story. Vision is everything. Where do you see this business going in the next 5, 10, even 20 years? Think long-term. What opportunities are on the horizon? Identify them clearly. Paint a vivid picture of the future, one that gets buyers excited about the potential, about being part of something bigger than themselves. Inspire them. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This prep work takes time, it takes effort, but it's the foundation of a successful sale. It's worth every second. This prep work takes time, it takes effort, but it's the foundation of a successful sale. Dedication pays off. A well-prepped business commands a premium, up to 20% more at closing. That's right, 20%. That's a significant difference. That's the difference between leaving money on the table and walking away with a fat stack of cash. It's a game changer, so put in the work, prep like a champion, and watch those offers roll in. Your future self will thank you. Alright, you've prepped your business like a boss. Now it's time to unleash it onto the world, to find that perfect buyer who's ready to take the reins and steer it to even greater heights. This isn't just about selling, it's about finding the right match for your business's future. But here's the thing, simply listing your business on one platform and hoping for the best? That's like fishing in a bathtub, my friends. You might get a nibble, but you're unlikely to catch anything substantial. You gotta cast a wider net, market smart, not hard. The broader your reach, the better your chances of finding that ideal buyer. Think of it like building a brand, because that's exactly what you're doing. Your business is more than just a product, it's a story, a vision, and a promise. You're building a brand around your business, one that attracts the right kind of attention, the kind that leads to serious offers. It's about creating a narrative that resonates with potential buyers. And just like any good brand, you need a multi-channel strategy. Diversify your marketing efforts to cover all bases. First and foremost, leverage the power of online business marketplaces. These platforms are essential in today's digital age. These platforms are like virtual shopping malls for businesses, connecting sellers with a global pool of potential buyers. They offer unparalleled reach and visibility. But don't just stop at one. The more platforms you use, the more eyes you get on your listing. Explore different options, compare their reach, their fees, and their target audience. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses. Find the platforms that align with your business and your goals. This alignment is crucial for effective marketing. Next, tap into the expertise of business brokers. These professionals can be invaluable in your selling journey. These seasoned professionals have a deep understanding of the M&A landscape and a vast network of qualified buyers. They know the ins and outs of the market. They can help you navigate the complexities of the sale process, negotiate favorable terms, and ultimately, close the deal. Their expertise can make a significant difference. But here's the secret sauce: the game-changer. Leverage your own network. Your personal connections can be a goldmine. Reach out to industry contacts, fellow entrepreneurs, even past investors. These people already know and trust you. You never know who might be interested or who might know someone who's actively looking to acquire a business like yours. Networking can open unexpected doors, and that's where WorldBusinessesForSale.com comes in. Our platform is designed to make your life easier. Our platform streamlines the entire process, connecting you with a global network of verified buyers, providing you with the tools and resources you need to market your business effectively, and empowering you to close the deal on your terms. We offer a comprehensive solution. Remember, selling your business is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. It takes time, it takes effort, and it takes a strategic approach. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. But by marketing smart, by leveraging all the tools at your disposal, you'll maximize your reach, attract the right buyers, and ultimately secure the best possible deal for your hard work. Your dedication will pay off. Chapter 3. Negotiate like a pro. Sound of a roaring crowd cheering, transitioning into confident, empowering music. All right, you've prepped your business, you've marketed it like a champ, and now you've got buyers knocking down your door, eager to make a deal. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the culmination of all your hard work and dedication. This is where the rubber meets the road, my friends, the moment you've been working towards. It's time to put all your preparation into action. But before you pop the champagne, remember this: negotiation is an art form, a delicate dance between knowing your worth and securing the best possible outcome. It's not just about getting a deal, but getting the right deal. First and foremost, understand your value. Know what you bring to the table and be confident in it. Don't undervalue your hard work, your sweat equity, your blood, sweat, and tears. Every late night, every challenge overcome adds to your business's worth. You've built something special, something valuable, and you deserve to be compensated accordingly. Your business is a reflection of your passion and dedication. Do your research, compare your business to similar ones on the market, and establish a realistic valuation range. Next, anticipate lowball offers. Be prepared for the initial shock. It's a tale as old as time. Buyers often start low, testing your resolve, hoping to snag a bargain. Buyers often start low, testing your resolve, hoping to snag a bargain. It's a common tactic, but don't let it throw you off your game. Don't let them rattle you. Stay firm, reiterate your value proposition, and be prepared to walk away if the offer doesn't meet your expectations. Confidence is key. Stay firm, reiterate your value proposition, and be prepared to walk away if the offer doesn't meet your expectations. Sometimes walking away is the best negotiation tactic. But here's the key: be flexible, be creative. Negotiation isn't always about hard lines in the sand, it's about finding common ground. Negotiation isn't always about hard lines in the sand. Explore different deal structures like earn-outs, where a portion of the purchase price is contingent on future performance. Explore different deal structures like earn-outs, where a portion of the purchase price is contingent on future performance. This can align both parties' interests. Or consider seller financing, where you provide a loan to the buyer, essentially betting on their ability to succeed. This can be a win-win situation. And don't be afraid to get creative with the terms. Flexibility can often lead to better outcomes for both parties. Maybe you're willing to stay on for a transition period, offering your expertise and guidance to ensure a smooth handover. This can add significant value to the deal. Or perhaps you're open to retaining a minority equity stake, allowing you to participate in the future growth of the business. This can be a great way to stay connected and benefit from future success. Remember, negotiation is a two-way street. It's about finding a balance that works for both parties. Listen attentively to the buyer's concerns, understand their perspective, and look for mutually beneficial solutions. Empathy can be a powerful tool in negotiations. A win-win deal is always better than a hard-fought victory that leaves both sides feeling bruised and battered. Aim for outcomes where everyone feels like a winner. Above all, stay confident, stay focused, and trust your gut. You've got this. Your instincts have brought you this far, and they'll guide you through the negotiation process. You've poured your heart and soul into this business, and now it's time to reap the rewards of your hard work. Reflect on your journey and be proud of what you've achieved. negotiate like a pro, secure the best possible deal, and walk away knowing you've maximized the value of your creation. This is your moment to shine. So there you have it. Clean up your operations, market smart, and negotiate with confidence. Want more tips on buying or selling a business? Subscribe to our channel and visit worldbusinessesforsale.com. Your dream deal might be just a click away. Music fades in. Until next time, keep building, keep scaling, and keep selling smart.